This is a time for Shen to bring differences with each passing day. This is a time for Tong to lead science and technology. This is a time for Shi to be overwhelming. This is a time for us to move forward together. Established in 2004, Guangdong Xintongshi Group is a professional manufacturer and high-tech enterprise in Guangdong province in China, which can independently develop, design and produce automotive cooling system products based on drawings and samples. Our factory's area is up to 160,000 plus SQM with more than 1,200 plus workers. There are as many as 58 series and more than 11,000 models of products. They are copper radiators, aluminum radiators, brazing and mechanical radiators, heaters, condenser, intercooler, oil cooler, evaporator, etc., which are applicable to all kinds of cars, light trucks, heavy trucks, buses, generators, and engineering machinery vehicles. We adhere to the independent manufacturing of product accessories with a self-made rate of 90%. From research and development, design, production, manufacturing, and sales services, we have built an integrated and complete industrial chain, aiming to provide customers with one-stop automotive cooling system solutions. After 20 years of development, Xintongshi Group now has 4 major production bases, 5 trading companies, 1 equipment sales company, and 1 packaging company. It also has overseas branches in Dubai, Vietnam, Laos, and Malaysia. As the group headquarters, Guangdong Xintongshi Group Corporation is mainly engaged in the research and development and production of mold, hardware accessories, machine parts, high-frequency aluminum welded tubes, plastic tank, condensers, various types of vehicle radiators, intercoolers, and industrial equipment. This space includes a complete line of production processes such as tube manufacturing, fin production, header and side plate stamping, core assembly, core brazing, tank clinching, product testing, and product packaging for various products. As the second largest production base, Xintongshi Jiangsu Heat Exchange System Corporation is equipped with brand new industry-leading manufacturing and processing equipment with high precision and efficiency production characteristics. According to customer needs, we can develop and produce various types of hardware stamping parts, high-frequency welded tubes, brazed and mechanical radiators, brazed and mechanical heaters, evaporators, oil coolers, carton boxes, and other products. The carton workshop can provide personalized carton design and processing according to customer needs. As the third largest production base, Hunan Tongshi Heat Exchange Technology Corporation has the strength to research and develop air conditioning and cooling systems for fuel vehicles, new energy vehicles, and other vehicles. It also has the testing ability from product development and design to verification stages. Its products cover multiple fields, such as single temperature, single drive, dual temperature, dual drive, and new energy vehicle air conditioning, and have the characteristics of environmental protection, energy saving, high quality, and efficiency. The product quality has strong competitiveness in the same industry. The company's business scope is research and development, production, and sales of various vehicles, heat exchange system, and their components. It mainly equipped with the OEM of condensers, evaporators, heater, and radiator. The products have now been supplied in bulk to brands such as FAW, Dongfeng, Shakman, Beijing Automotive Group, Chery, Hezong, Kerry, Qinglong, Yutong, etc. As the fourth largest production base, Guangdong Shinya Air Conditioning Manufacturing Corporation integrates the R&D and manufacturing of non-standard equipment such as refrigeration equipment, rubber and plastic equipment, and blow molding equipment. It has a complete set of precision sheet metal processing equipment, a fully automatic spraying production line, and a complete process flow system. It can provide structural design, process engineering, processing and manufacturing services according to customer requirements. Non-standard equipment products include automotive accessories, household and industrial air conditioners, rubber and plastic industries. Our main products include vulcanization furnaces, drying ovens, various air conditioning refrigeration production equipment, etc. We strictly control product quality, and 4 major factories all have R&D institutes implementing source management, from supply audits and testing tools to incoming material quality inspection. We adhere to the implementation of a high-frequency inspection system for the first, last, and process parts, ensuring the performance, quality, and durability of each product, and ensuring that the product quality meets customer requirements. We strictly adhere to the quality policy of quality excellence to gain markets, diversification varieties to win customers, improving management to seek progress. The company focuses on new product development and technological innovation, with an innovative research and development team and experienced technical talents. The research and development investment in new technologies and fields has been increasing year by year. As an innovation-oriented high-tech enterprise, Xintongshi Group has passed IADF 16949 certification and has numerous independently developed new products and dozens of inventions and patents, providing customers with efficient and reliable product assurance. The own brand of Tongshi is registered in more than 40 countries around the world, with nearly 20 brand agents. Products are exported to more than 100 countries and regions. In the future, we will continue to be eyes open to the whole world, explore a broader global market, and we are committed to building a large-scale automotive parts group that integrates product research and development, production, mold manufacturing, and parts processing for automotive heat exchange systems, becoming your most important partner for auto parts industry in the global market. Dream for you, dream for the enterprise. In the road of pursuit of ideal, Xintongshi and you courageously march forward hand in hand.